first of all, I would do kind of a self-assessment, which is, do I have a fever? Do I have any other symptoms that might explain the pain or connect to the pain? Can I recall with a little more thought any specific injury or any collision or bump or bruise? I can also examine myself. I can look at the part of the body that's hurting. I can see if it's swollen. I can touch it. I can move it. And all of these things would give me information that is useful. Also, if you're over 50 or over 60, an unexplained pain might have more significance that you'd want to bring to the doctor sooner than if you're a younger and healthy person in your 20s, teens, or 30s. In addition to that, something like swelling, which can represent inflammation, if localized, could also represent something else. So I would do the self-assessment. I would see if the unexplained pain is going away over the course of a few days. And if not, I would bring it to the attention of my physician.